How are ships linked to Israel being targeted in the Red Sea amid the Iran war tensions? The attacks reveal a hidden naval battleground where modern warfare meets ancient rivalries. You won't believe the tactics used and the risks for global trade. The Red Sea is more than just a body of water. It's a major artery for global trade, linking the Suez Canal with the Indian Ocean. Ships linked to Israel pass through this corridor, making them potential targets amid escalating Iran-related tensions. Control over this route means influence over energy supplies and military movements, which is why it has become a hotspot for covert attacks. Ships connected to Israel have faced a range of hostile actions in the Red Sea. These include limpet mines attached underwater, drone attacks launched remotely, and sabotage by small boats. The attackers often remain anonymous, but are widely linked to Iran-backed groups seeking to disrupt Israel's maritime logistics and send a warning signal. Iran plays a key role by backing proxy militias and naval units operating in the Red Sea. These groups carry out attacks designed to destabilize Israel's access to critical trade routes. This proxy warfare allows Iran to project power without direct confrontation, intensifying regional tensions and complicating international shipping security. The targeting of Israeli-linked ships in the Red Sea threatens not only regional security, but global commerce. Increased attacks raise shipping insurance premiums and risk disrupting supply chains. Furthermore, these actions could escalate into wider conflicts involving multiple nations, making the Red Sea an unexpected flashpoint in the broader Iran-Israel tensions. The Red Sea's role as a naval battleground shows how global conflicts extend beyond land borders into strategic waterways. Understanding these attacks reveals the complex chess game between Iran and Israel that could impact your daily life through trade disruptions. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.